Shema, listen with your whole self. Hineni, here I am. A partner says, I saw a bird. It sounds small. Psychology calls this a bid for connection. Gottman found strong couples turn toward these bids about 86% of the time. Struggling pairs, about 33. Small moments decide big futures. The guardian knows. Breaches rarely start with big betrayals. They start with tiny absences. Presence is protection. In Hebrew, shama is listening that responds. Hineni is availability. Here, now. Buddhism's sati is steady attention. Taoist Wu Wei is unforced responsiveness. Together, they point to one move. Notice, turn, be curious. Ask one question. What kind of bird? Then, reflect what mattered. So that little moment brightened your day. Choose covenantal presence. Make small faithfulness your shield. Read the description for the complete practice and the ancient sources behind this wisdom.